It's a hit. It's a hit.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Today is a great day because this is our first video of Trust the Process Garage. So welcome. This video today is pretty much gonna be you learning about what this is for and why we're doing it, and pretty much so everything else we can do to it. Trust the Process Garage's sole point is to just allow DIYers to see it through. A lot of people start projects and never finish them and just be like, oh, I don't have the time or anything anymore. Well, we're not gonna do that this time. This is very much so built towards and drawing towards people who have their projects and are young and want to be able to live up and do those things how we can. So I'm gonna try to take you through my full, complete build of my pride and joy on Monte Carlo. This is a 1982 Monte Carlo. No, it's not an SS, but who gonna give a damn once I get it and it's out here slapping it around these other SS's and stuff like that. So it is what it is. We are definitely dedicating today's video to my car, so everybody can know where I am with her and what the timestamp is, so you can have as much information about me and what I'm doing for you to watch me do. So big shout out to 11-9 Media for the collaboration on my rolling footage of my car. That guy is great. The team that he had helped doing some of the footage was amazing, and I think you'll very much enjoy it. So we're gonna get to the content.
You know, I used to think everybody was different, but you know, I feel like we all kind of the same, you know. We all just looking for a way out, you feel me?
I'ma run this thing and I won't think about it. I'ma shit on all these niggas cause I know they doubt it. R-E-S-P-E-C-T, that's all I ever asked for. I ain't get it, guess it turned me to the local asshole. Hello, welcome to my block, doc. We don't need a thermostat to know them bullets hot. I'ma stay in sight, in my feelings I reside. For the bitches that don't like, I'm about to turn the tide. If you don't wanna love me, trust another one gon' do it. I'ma use this paper like a printer straight from Hewlett. I used to give a fuck about opinions until I realized people sheep just like minions. Now if you ain't got work behind your name, a crowd that's close to fame, then shut the fuck up and stay the fuck up out my lane. Take your advice and flush it down the drain. I guess I'm insane in the membrane. Only time you see me probably be on the weekend. I'm that nigga all in the cut that be never speaking. The niggas sissy, they snakes, they hissy, they probably miss me. In the dark where they throwing dirt, but they bound to miss me. The heavy hating is only hurting their happiness. They hurt from any feeling that disproves their dominance. I pity pattern, my thoughts scatter and grow fatter as I saw solutions that surely shatter their confidence. It's so unfortunate they take their hurt and portion it to a lesser subordinate just to feel that they're competent. I take that negative and shoot it with a sedative. I guess this shit's hereditary the way I come out dominant.